Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have another unboxing. It's been a long time since we did this unboxing. So today we have this DIY type Powerbank case which I got from Banggood. It comes in this kind of a bubble wrap or a plastic wrap. And on the front you have this display where you have few scratches already. I think that's because of the plastic covering, and then you have the button. And you also have this carrying strap. So this one supports two USB output, USB-C and micro USB to charge this device. And at the back you have the information written. It's a power bank and the model is C16 and the capacity is 50,000 mAh. That actually depends on what kind of cells you're going to use. So the back comes out pretty easily, and it comes along with the screws and the screwdriver. You could use the screws to fix this device securely. And if you see, it already comes with the proper mounting structure where you have the spring-loaded mechanism, and then that's the charging module. This supports pretty basic charging, guys. It only supports 10 watts of charging. There was another model which supported quick charge that was around 9,900 rupees. I thought I'll go with this because this one only costed around 600 rupees. And if you see, there's a small indentation which actually was for another model where you could also get the wireless charger one, but I just went with this one. So what kind of cells I'm going to use is, I'm actually going to be using these Hongley 1200 mAh cells. If you need these cells, I'll leave a contact information below and also a Google forum. You could go fill that out. This is a 1200 mAh Hongley cells, and let's get that fixed. So you don't need to top balance these cells because you are going to anyways connect all these cells on parallel. So don't worry about the voltage, just put it in straight. So it goes out pretty easily. It's just that it's a spring loaded. Let me remove that out. So if you see, just make sure that the positive and negative are aligned correctly and you fix it properly. So we did put one cell. Let's quickly turn it on and see if it works. Yes, it works. It actually is at 20%. So now let's get all the cells loaded. Before that, let me just show you what the voltage of the cells are. I'm actually using my Meco multimeter, and right now the voltage should be around 3.34 or 3.4. That's the general voltage that is used to store these sort of lithium ion cells. So let's quickly load all these cells now. So the better quality of cells that you use, the better capacity you get. So we have loaded all the cells. Now let's get that turned on, and if you see, it still shows 20%. Now let me get that back cover fixed. Now guys, this case only makes sense if you already have 18650 cells which you have salvaged from laptop. If your thought is to build a power bank, this is not the way to go. You have better brands or outside already, like the Mi, and you have many other brands. They actually give you a better value for money instead of buying this one. So now I have turned it on. Let's quickly show you the charge mechanism. It's just the normal one. Get the USB A, put that in, and then you could connect it on the other end. So as I said, this only supports 10 watt of charging. I have my OnePlus buds which I'm charging right now, and say on the display it shows 5 volt 2.1 amp, which is like almost 11 watt. So that's the max that it does, and the same goes for charging as well. It only charges at 10 watt. So overall, for 600 rupees, if you actually want to use your old 18650 cells, you could certainly do it. But if your intention is to build a new power bank, and if you think that it's going to be a value for money, no, it's not. So don't waste your money. If you're in need of a power bank, go get it from me or go get it from OnePlus or whichever brand you prefer. Those would give you better value for money. If you already have old cells, then I would suggest you go with the quick charge one, because there's another one for quick charge which would cost you around 900 to 1000 rupees in Banggood. I'll leave a link in the description below, go check that out. And yeah, this is just a quick overall video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to it. And if you have any suggestions or recommendation, do leave it in the comment section below. And do join my Telegram account as well. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned